Hey folks, T-Dub here from Data Outfitters. I wanted to show you an application that I had written in VB6 a number of years ago for what was at the time anyway, the largest window manufacturer in North America. And they wanted to be able to go out and track the installation of their windows and take pictures of each window, or what they call it, an opening, fenestration, whatever, and be able to associate that with the building and just be able to organize it and track it. And there's a lot of graphics, a lot of pictures involved here. So they would have create a project, and a project would have information about it. It would have floor plans like these, which can be edited. Um, we can go ahead and double click on some of these. This is obviously not much of a floor plan, so we're going to create a new one. This is a little graphics program that I had written. Um, It allows you to, say, create a box here. If I'm left click, I get a black box. If I right click, I get a red box. Let's just say I want a green box. So I select green here. Okay. And now I can left click and get a green box. But let's just say I wanted to undo that, and I want a thicker draw width. So I go like that. Now I get one that has a draw width of 10 pixels. We can go ahead and do, let's just say free. We got some lawn here that we want to put in here. Um, and then I want to put some text in. So I can do this text, and let's just say I want a font size of 16. And I'm going to say that this is lawn. And there we go. So I can do a bunch of things as far as annotating and marking up either a plain white background or on top of a photograph. We can rotate these right, we can rotate them left, pretty much do everything you need to do to a picture. So we'll save and close that. That's really not a very good plot plan. We'll just call it PP6. I don't know if it's number 6, but so as you can see, we scroll down here and there it is. It's been edited. So projects have buildings. Buildings have pictures. Um, this better be good. So there we have that. It's an annotation we put on there. Buildings have floors, and floors have plot plans. So each one of these is not really much of a plot plan, and floors also have openings, which would be, say, windows, and windows have um, what we call audits, which is basically a picture. So let's just say we want to add an audit to this opening number 6. So we would do audit and import audit, which brings us this screen. It allows us to select a directory, select any picture in this directory, and it's going to import the entire directory, which if you're doing your thing right as an auditor, you would have each window in a different directory, but whatever. So let's just say I want to keep this one, but I want to do a little annotation. So I would double click on it, and I get this. I want to put a red box right here. There we go. It's just exactly what I want. Save and close. Now I need to put in the date, which is today. I want to put in Joe did this, and it's an arch. Oops, not an arch, an arch. Okay, so save and next. Don't like that one. Don't like that one. Yeah, I want this one, but I want to also annotate this real quick. I just want to make sure that there's an arrow, so I'm going to do a line pointing at that window right there. Whoo! Undo. A little fast. There we go. Save and close. All right, and it's a castle. Oops. Let's do that. Castle. Save and next. Okay, it's an elephant. We'll name him Ed. It's the plains. Let's call it the plains. Actually, there's a name for that, but I forget what it is. And here we have a store. We want to edit this too. Let's just say we want to put a red box right around this window here. Oops, we're drawing a line. Oh, Control Z, make it a box. Put a box here, and then we'll do a line. We want a red line from here, here to here. You gotta be careful with your mouse. Okay, save and close. It's a store. and save and next. So you can get the idea here. So I'm done. Close. So now my opening has these pictures. It would normally be all of one window and details of installations about it. So anyway, a lot of graphics, a lot of pictures here that are being stored because we have pictures of the floor plot. We have a picture of the building. We have the actual building plots, and all of that, and a lot to keep track of. Does a pretty good job of it. So probably won't win too many awards for the graphics, but they're pretty indicative of what they're for. This is a building. This is a floor plan, which is blueprints. This is represents a window, 2x4s with a header, and this is a camera taking a picture of a window. So they pretty much portray what they mean, and they seem to be logically designed. So, all right. Anyway, thank you very much.